Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of traditional cooking oil in Sri Lanka, focusing on a unique oil known as mee oil. Mee oil has been a staple in Sri Lankan kitchens for generations, derived from the seeds of the mee tree. The process of obtaining mee oil is truly remarkable. It begins with the mee tree's delicious fruit, which is a favorite among animals. After animals enjoy the pulp, the seeds fall to the ground, and villagers gather them. The first step is to dry these seeds thoroughly under the sun. Once dried, the villagers grind the seeds into a fine powder using a mortar. Next, this powder is prepared using a steaming method, similar to making rice flour pittu. Before the steam escapes, the boiled mixture is placed into a strong container, tightly sealed, and the oil is extracted using a traditional wooden bone mold. This time-honored technique ensures that the oil is collected efficiently. Reheating the collected meat oil allows it to be preserved for a long time, making it a valuable resource in both cooking and traditional medicine. Mee oil is not only delicious, but also medicinal. Rural women often add it to their rice dishes, making the mee bottle a symbol of prosperity in many homes. The residue left after oil extraction, known as memuru, has been used for animal feed and as fertilizer, showcasing the resourcefulness of our ancestors. In ancient times, it was customary to smoke homes with bamboo sticks and garlic peels, which helped eliminate germs and left a pleasant aroma. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this beautiful aspect of village life in Sri Lanka. Stay tuned for more videos, including an upcoming feature on the mee tree that produces these precious mee nuts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for notifications. Have a great day.